culture-responsive teaching, and how I, as a teacher, will foster a caring environment and have personal connection with my students.
What is culture? Culture can be defined as all the behaviors, way of life, art, beliefs, and institutions of the population that are passed down from generation to generation. Culture has been called the way of life for an entire society. Culture include your custom, food, faith or religion, behavior, ritual, belief, art or music, attitude, and language. Each one of these culture will be brought into your classroom by your students in the class. Cultural responsive teaching. Cultural responsive teaching is where education is grounded in a cultural view of learning and human development, in which multiple expression and diversity, including race, social class, gender, language, etc., are all recognized and regarded as assets for teaching and learning. There are three main religious groups in Guyana: Christian, Hindu, and Muslim. Each of these religious groups have a religious holiday that is celebrated within Guyana, and within your classroom, you would have a child belonging to each of these religious groups. This force some of the cultural responsive teaching methods that I use within my classroom are encouraging all of the students and parents to participate in all holidays. Now, parents have a great influence over their children, so you need to encourage the parent first to participate. Maybe you could get them to distribute something, participate in an activity. If you can encourage the parent, you can get to encourage the child to participate in the activity also. Encourage children to share their ideas and opinions on the activities they would like to carry out on the holiday. In that way, they will be able to more participate and willingly participate in whatever activity that is going on. Also, the child or children of the religion that is being celebrated will feel very happy and accepted by their classmates and friends, seeing that their classmate is going about participating in their religious activity. It will make them feel very happy and appreciated of their classmates. They'll be able to build bonds not only with their classmates but also with you as a teacher.
Providing information. I, as a teacher, has the greatest responsibility in providing the right information to my students, informing them about what the holiday is about, why is the holiday being celebrated, and what is activity that is done on these holidays, what food do they eat on these holidays, what clothing are wear on these holidays. All of these information I have to present to my students. I also have the responsibility of how the information is being carried about these religious holidays. I, as a teacher, must remove my biased opinion or suggestion or even attitude that I may have against the religion when presenting this information to my students. I must show respect to all of my student religion. Hopefully, this will also lead to them also showing respect to their fellow classmates and citizens.
Leading by examples. I, as a teacher, have to be willing to participate also in all of these religious activities. Also, I must show respect to each and every one of my students' belief, background, and religion. Whether I be in the classroom or out of the classroom, I must constantly show respect for my students in order to foster a caring and loving environment with my students and me.
In conclusion, as a cultural responsive teacher, I need to equip myself with knowledge, skill, and attitude to work effectively with my students and also successfully engaging and teaching students from different cultures.